If you've ever come across a Cashapp promo code and wondered how to actually redeem it without messing anything up or missing out on free money, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people see these codes online or get them from friends, but they either don't know where to enter them or they try once, it doesn't work, and they just give up. The truth is, redeeming Cashapp promo codes is actually very simple, but there are a few specific steps you need to follow and a couple of conditions you need to meet before the reward shows up in your account. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, in a way that makes it impossible to get confused. First things first, you need to understand what a Cashapp promo code actually is. These codes are usually part of Cashapp's referral system. That means they're designed to reward new users for joining the app and existing users for inviting others. So when you enter a valid promo code, you're basically telling Cashapp that someone referred you, and in return both you and the person who shared the code can get a bonus. That bonus is usually cash, and yes, it's real money that you can withdraw, send, or spend however you want. Now, before you even try to redeem a promo code, you need to make sure you have the app installed and your account set up properly. Go ahead and download Cashapp from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open it up and sign up using your email or phone number. You'll also need to link a debit card or bank account. This step is important because most promo rewards won't unlock unless your account is fully set up and verified. After your account is ready, this is where the actual redemption process begins. Open Cashapp and look at the home screen. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that to access your account settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Enter Referral Code or something similar. Tap on it and this is where you'll paste or type in your promo code. Make sure you enter the code exactly as it appears. Promo codes are case sensitive sometimes and even a small mistake can cause it not to work. Once you've entered the code correctly, hit confirm or submit. If the code is valid and still active, Cashapp will accept it immediately. But here's the part a lot of people don't realize. Entering the code alone usually isn't enough to get the reward. In most cases, Cashapp requires you to complete a qualifying action before the bonus is released. This usually means sending a certain amount of money, often around $5, to another Cashapp user. It doesn't have to be a stranger. You can send it to a friend or even have someone send it back to you. The key is that the transaction must be real and completed through your account. Once you've completed that requirement, the reward should show up in your balance almost instantly. Sometimes it might take a few minutes, but usually it's very quick. If you don't see the bonus, don't panic. Double check that you entered the code correctly and that you completed the required action. If everything looks good and it's still not showing, you might need to contact Cashapp support for help. Now let's talk about a few common mistakes people make when trying to redeem promo codes, because avoiding these can save you a lot of frustration. One of the biggest mistakes is trying to use a promo code on an old account. Most Cashapp promo codes are only valid for new users. If your account has been active for a while, there's a high chance the code won't work. Another mistake is using expired codes. Promo codes don't last forever, so if you found one online, make sure it's still valid. Another thing to keep in mind is that some codes are region-specific or limited to certain users. So if a code doesn't work for you, it doesn't necessarily mean you did something wrong. It might just not be available for your account. Also, make sure your account is fully verified. Sometimes Cashapp requires identity verification before allowing you to receive certain rewards. If you want to maximize your earnings with Cashapp promo codes, there's a simple strategy you can use. Once you've redeemed a code and received your bonus, you can start referring other people. Cashapp will give you your own referral code that you can share with friends, family, or even your audience if you create content online. Every time someone signs up using your code and completes the required steps, you earn a bonus. This can add up quickly if you know how to promote it properly. For example, if you run a YouTube channel, TikTok page, or even a WhatsApp group, you can share your referral code along with a quick explanation of how it works. People are always interested in easy ways to make money, so this is something that can actually perform really well if you present it right. Just make sure you're being honest and clear about the steps they need to follow so they don't get confused. Another tip is to stay updated with new promotions. Cashapp occasionally runs special campaigns where the bonus amounts are higher than usual. During these times, you can earn even more by inviting people, so it's worth checking the app regularly or keeping an eye on announcements. At the end of the day, redeeming Cashapp promo codes is one of the easiest ways to get a little extra money, but only if you follow the process correctly. Download the app, set up your account, enter the code in the right place, complete the required transaction, and your reward should come through without any issues. It's simple, but every step matters. If you take this seriously and combine it with referrals, it can actually turn into a consistent way to earn small amounts of money over time. Not something that will replace a full-time income, but definitely something that can cover small expenses or give you extra cash when you need it. So if you've been ignoring those promo codes or thinking they're too complicated to use, now you know exactly what to do. Go ahead, try it out. Follow the steps carefully and start taking advantage of these offers while they're still available. Now here's something a lot of people don't talk about, and that's timing. The earlier you use a fresh promo code after creating your account, the better your chances of it working smoothly. Some codes have hidden limits, meaning only a certain number of people can redeem them before they stop working. So if you find a new code online, don't wait too long thinking you'll come back to it later, because by then it might already be inactive. Acting fast can be the difference between getting that bonus and missing out completely. Another important thing you should know is how to tell if a promo code is actually legit. There are a lot of fake or misleading codes floating around, especially on social media. If a code promises something unrealistic, like huge amounts of money with no action required, that's usually a red flag. Stick to codes shared by real users, trusted creators, or directly inside the app. And remember, Cashapp will never ask you to pay money just to redeem a promo code. If you see anything like that, it's best to avoid it completely. You should also pay attention to your transaction behavior after entering a code. Cashapp's system is designed to detect unusual activity, so if you try to game the system by creating multiple accounts or doing fake transactions, your bonus might get flagged or even blocked. The safest approach is to use the app normally, send money to real people, and follow the rules exactly as intended. That way, you won't run into any issues, and your rewards will come through without delays. And finally, if you really want to turn this into something bigger, think beyond just redeeming codes and start treating it like a simple side strategy. You can create short videos explaining how to redeem codes, post tutorials, or even share your experience with different promo offers. Since you already know how to make YouTube content, this is something that fits perfectly into your workflow. People are constantly searching for ways to earn small amounts of money online, and if you position your content correctly, you can attract a lot of views while also earning from referrals at the same time.